Friends, in previous video we have seen various use of controller tab, wherein we can use it as a set tab and adjust tab, and we took up this too as an example. However, in the end of that video we had seen that we can also use sensitivity analysis in order to show the impact of one of the variables in the simulation on the other variable. Like in this case, we already adjusted the flow rate of toluene so that the outlet temperature remains 85 Fahrenheit. Now, naturally, if I increase the flow rate of ethylene, correspondingly the flow rate of toluene needs to be increased to maintain the temperature at the outlet at 85 Fahrenheit. Now, if I manually do that, it becomes very tedious to track how ethylene flow rate is impacting the flow rate of toluene. But we can use the tool called sensitivity analysis in CHEMCAD, which can be sometimes called as case study tool, in other simulators to track the effect of ethylene flow rate on the flow rate of toluene. So let us see that. So it is the same flow sheet which we prepared last time. On the Explorer tab, you have sensitivity analysis. You right click on that, you get this. Click on new analysis, and you can enter the name of the analysis. Say for example, flow rate. So when you click on that, you get this box where you have to decide the independent variable. Independent variable in our case is ethylene flow rate, because we want to see the impact of ethylene flow on toluene flow, and that can be tracked by the stream. So stream number 1, and the variable is the flow rate. And since we are targeting the flow rate of the stream, we are not defining any component. Variable name we can write flow rate. Variable unit is mole rate, and it varies from 200 to say 1000 in 10 equal steps. So this is the independent variable which we have defined. If there is one more independent variable, you can define here. However, in our case, what have we been asked is to see the impact of the ethylene flow rate on the flow rate of the toluene. So we will not define any other independent variable. We go to the recording. Recording is defining your dependent variables. Here we will say dependent variable is stream ID2, variable total molar rate, and we say toluene. Since both the stream number 1 and 2 are having pure species, so stream 1 is having ethylene and stream 2 is having toluene, we can directly relate toluene flow rate as total mole rate of stream number 2 and ethylene flow rate as stream number 1. Variable unit is molar rate, and we don't have any other dependent variable, but if we want, we can keep that, and we can just press OK. So we have set up the analysis, and we click on this and edit. So this is something which we have, and we press. I just need to right click this and press run all. So it will give you the answer about the results. So report result is here. You can just click there, and these are, as you can see, that as you increase the ethylene flow rate from 200 to 1000, the toluene flow rate increases from almost 1.7 to 9.00, and this can be plotted as well in this form. And OK, and you can get this. So any particular analysis where you need to do more than one simulation, wherein we want to see the impact of one of the parameters on other parameter, you can use the sensitivity analysis tool. This can be done not only with the streams, can also be done within the unit operation. So say for example, I am simulating a distillation column. I can see the impact of number of stages on composition or reflux ratio on composition, or maybe feed plate location on the reboiler or condenser duty. So this is related to distillation column. Maybe we want to see the impact of volume on conversion for a given reactor, or for a compression, we want to see the impact of compression ratio to the outlet temperature. Whatever, any two variables which you feel have cause and effect analysis or impact, you can relate them, and you can vary one of them and can see the impact on multiple other variables, because as we have seen that the dialog box for sensitivity analysis gives you the freedom to define more than one dependent variable and more than one independent variables, and you can plot them here. So sensitivity analysis reduces your time of manual simulation. However, we gave 10 points, it could have been very easily 100, and the time taken by simulator will not be 10 times that of what it took here. So I think sensitivity analysis is a very good tool which will help you to make analysis of the variable impact on some other medium. Thank you.